My friend took me to see a mermaid house, and the whole entire house is the mermaid and her hair. And there's a moat that she comes out of, but the moat's dry and a lot of the cement around the moat is cracked and caving in. Her hair, which was the top of the house, has gone away. I'm not sure what happened to that. Whoever built it has passed away and no longer is maintaining it, and so it's in pretty bad condition, but really impressive. Evidently, the mermaid breasts is where the kitchen had been, and bedrooms and patio were up in the hair on the top. Amazing sculpture for this. I believe it's cement. It's all cement. And it was just definitely amazing.